Standalone charm, modern comfort, fresh, functional, and perfectly positioned. This beautifully presented weatherboard home delivers everything a growing family needs. Downstairs, enjoy a light-filled open-plan living zone that connects seamlessly with a modern kitchen and dining area, plus the added convenience of a toilet and separate laundry. Upstairs is all about comfort, featuring 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, including a private master ensuite, giving everyone their own space.